Hi, so for the video activity, I chose activity 1, making and subject integration, looking at subjects within the grade 7 and grade 8 curriculums. I think that the subjects within the 7 and 8 curriculum are very well able to be integrated as there are a lot of common themes running throughout the various subjects. Since the project I would have students complete would be one that integrates science, geography, history, health, possibly math, language arts, and the arts themselves. The theme or idea for the project would be for students to discuss whether automating various systems can aid in sustaining the current geography of wildlife habitats, specifically those surrounding the Great Lakes or even a possible different location, and create a system that they believe will preserve or even improve the current environment so that it may be sustained for future generations to come. So, this project requires students to look at science surrounding systems and how they work, and how they operate, as well as explore the local wildlife and ecosystems that are in the area of the location that is presented to them. Geography is then incorporated as students explore the past, present, and future of a particular area, and history is brought into the fold as students look at what was done previously in systems and what is being done currently. Health is also emphasized in this project as students explore different ways to improve the environment, which will result in improved health for future generations. Statistics and math may be used as well to explore how the environment has deteriorated and explore the data surrounding that, as well as math will be needed to be used in the systems, in the creation of the systems, as students measure the size requirements and build their systems to scale. And finally, the language and media arts will be implemented as students present their proposed systems to the class as in a possible science or systems fair presentation, and we would be able to take a look at everybody's created models of their systems. Thank you.